This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Battery replacement. Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch, then raise the hood. Support the hood with the prop rod. Loosen the nut on the negative battery cable clamp, then disconnect the cable. Position the cable aside to prevent accidental reconnection. Loosen the nut on the positive battery cable clamp, then disconnect the cable. Loosen the nuts on the hold-down bracket rods. Detach the hooked lower ends of the rods from the battery tray, then remove the hold-down bracket and rods. Lift out the battery case protective cover. Remove the battery. If needed, clean the battery tray. Install the battery onto the battery tray, followed by the battery protective cover and the hold-down bracket and rods. Tighten the hold-down nuts securely. Connect the positive cable to the positive terminal on the battery. Tighten the cable clamp nut securely, then secure the protective cover over the positive terminal. Connect the negative cable to the negative terminal of the battery. Tighten the cable clamp nut securely.